The increasing gale or storm signal number 9 is now in force. At 11 p.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 70 kilometers south-southwest of the Hong Kong Observatory and is forecast to move west-northwest slowly, edging closer to the Pearl River estuary. In the past couple of hours, Koinu tracked westwards steadily. The associated hurricane force winds are gradually departing from the seas south of Hong Kong. The Hong Kong Observatory will issue the gale or storm signal number 8 at 11:50 p.m. The radar imagery indicates that the rain bands of Koinu extend 200 kilometers to the east of its center. The rain bands will persistently affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary tonight to tomorrow morning and bring squalls to the region. Winds may occasionally be up to gale force. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force until at least 11 a.m. tomorrow. Since midnight, more than 50 millimeters of rainfall were recorded over many places in Hong Kong. Rainfall even exceeded 100 millimeters over the Hong Kong Island and the eastern parts of the New Territories. Heavy squally showers will still be expected over Hong Kong tomorrow. Members of the public, please take note of the latest weather bulletins from the Hong Kong Observatory. Finally, as seas are very high and there are swells, please stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas and not to engage in water sport activities.